Hi everybody, I'm back. I was lucky again to get a good lot of cars, so I was thinking I will share with you when I open the box to see what it is. The box is, you will see, is pretty bad shape. When I lift the box, it doesn't sound any good, so I'm very excited to see how it looks inside. So let's have a look. As you can see, it's a huge box, yeah. So let's see.
What's inside? Is that good enough? No. That kind of works.
Oh shit, I think I opened it in the wrong side. Yeah, definitely upside down. So I think I need both my hands there. Sorry guys, I have to take the bags out. I need both my hands, so just a sec. Okay, we're back. I positioned the camera somewhere else, so let's just box some parts. You know what? I need to box this again and open it from the other side. Sorry about that. Tape. Okay. Let's hope that's enough. As you can hear, a lot of sound. So it's not bad to get two unboxings of the same box in one movie. So let's see. Okay, here we go. One Beetle. I think it's yeah, M-05. Pasta RX-7. Also M-05. I think we can throw this away. Both. Cool. It's M-06. I think it should be kind of race prepped, ready to race. Well, all of these cars are supposed to be that. Yeah, so here's what's in the box. Parts. The same amount of parts. I would say. I think I'll show you like this, and I'll lay them out and show you like this. Actually 3 bags full of parts. I knew this lot had a lot of parts, but I had no idea that it was this many. So yeah, I guess I could build some more cars of this. But I'll lay them out and we'll have a look, okay? So this is actually all the parts in the first bag. So let's see here. Not those, but blue aluminum. chassis parts, more chassis parts. It's basically got a lot of parts for M-05. Yeah, there you have everything in bag 1. So let's see in bag 2. Okay, time to have a look into bag number 2, and what it seems like is this is also for M-05, and it seems like it's very much some of the same parts as was in bag number 1. So it seems like the owner had one spare part bag for one of the car he races and another one for the old one. It's like so, one spare bag part for every car. But let's have a look. Yeah. As you can see, if you remember the first bag, it's a lot of the same stuff. I guess I won't run out of parts for the M-05 anytime soon. Okay, last bag. This is for the M-06 chassis. So my question is then, so did Tamai make a chrome version of the M-06 chassis? Since there's so many chrome parts there. Too bad they are used and scuffed up like that. So yeah, I couldn't bother to organize all these parts, so bear with me. Wow, this one seems to be well used. Oh, actually it's not broken. Probably a good reason doing so. Okay, so now I think we'll have a look into there was a small box with parts. We'll have a look to that before we have a look on the cars itself. Okay, so here's the small box with parts, I think. Yeah. More other parts. This looked like titanium. That's good. Some plastic parts and yeah, adjusters. Blue stuff. Okay. So that was all the parts. Let's have a close look on the cars now. So let's start with the M-06. When it comes to the body, I'm kind of speechless. Why would you do something like that? It just looks so awful. Even painted the windows. But okay, we're all different. So okay, let's just move that away. Have a look in this car. I think this is 3 racing dampers, carbon temper tower, aluminium steering, steering knuckles, lighted kingpins, and there's some more red alum there, I'm not sure what that is. Speed controller. Nice red alum, and I think this this is because he raced. He used a short lipo when he raced. This kind of prevents it from going back. Carbon fiber rear temper towers. Yeah. And I think this is for cooling. Some cool red knuckles back, and it looks like it's CVD. I think it's CVD axles, and look on this. It's actually brass weights in the wheels. It's not that good to focus, but can you see it? That is cool. Cylinder. I guess it's not on the front. Yeah. So yeah. But underneath, the car looked like brand new. So that's cool. Okay. So there we have it. The M-06. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one is this M-05 chassis with the Mazda RX-7 body. Too bad it's well used, because I really like that one. Yeah. And let's have a look on the car. A lot of bling on this one too. It's, plastic, but lighted kingpin. Electronic speed controller. Is that sway bars? All the rear temper tower. Yeah. There's that one. Looks like it's ready to hit the track. It's a sport jet. Cool. The car doesn't need very much attention. Oh, what's this? Cool. It's 3D printed battery tray. Probably for the short lipo. Yeah. That's cool. Okay, that was car number 2. One more left. So just let's carry on. Okay, last car. A Beetle on a M-05 chassis. Actually, okay, the body paint is not that good, but the chassis itself, no, the body itself is quite okay. So maybe, I'm not sure if I'm gonna spend the time to remove all the paint, to paint it one more time, but it should be possible. But seems like it's a thin layer of paint, so maybe. Okay, chassis wise, I think this one, okay, it's a rimmed alu and CVDs or better axles at least in the front suspension. Brushless, no, yeah, brushless esque hair as well. Oh, and ear racing adjustable
red knuckles. I was going to say where are the dampers, but they're on the front. Yep. Looks pretty nice underneath. Also here, sport gen motor. Yep. So there you have seen all the cars. Oh, I forgot. This one here. Earlier I think I said it was a Golf, but maybe it's a Polo. It's well used, but I think it might clean up. We'll have to try and see. Oh, there's a crack. So that. And the last one. It's cool body, but I think it's time to throw this away. Okay, so there you have it. You had a first look into my small lot I just bought and received. I haven't looked into it before you, so I'm very surprised and positive to what I got. Yeah, so the next thing will be to make some running videos of these cars. So if you would like to see more of those, just hit the like button and subscribe, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye.